where dreams smell like cupcakes and kindness is the secret ingredient.
Shh! The magic's about to begin.
When everyone in Maplebrook was fast asleep, one tiny window still twinkled with dreams.
This is Ellie, a dreamer with frosting in her heart. Every night, Muffin came alive and baked cupcakes that smelled like happiness.
Together, they baked dreams into the night. But one night, the magic stopped, and Ellie's heart felt emptier than her tray.
Then, something shimmered, a trail of sugar, glowing in the dark. Sometimes, the sweetest answers wait in the moonlight.
And there she saw a swirl of sugar dust.
The cupcake fairy had arrived, made of frosting sugar. You're real! Ah! 1 cup of joy, 2 spoons of sharing, a sprinkle of helping others. The fairy whispered love. True sweetness isn't baked, it's shared. Ellie finally understood what her cupcakes had been missing.
The next morning, she mixed a little joy, a little love, and a lot of kindness. They smelled sweeter than ever before.
But this time, she didn't keep them to herself. For you.
The taste of kindness, sweeter than sugar.
For every smile she shared, her heart glowed brighter.
Soon the whole town was laughing again.
That night, her heart felt full. Not with cupcakes, but with care.
Thank you, little oven. We did it together.
But magic always finds its way back home.
And this time, they baked themselves worth with love.
It wasn't just baking anymore, Dad. It was believing. Because kindness, once shared, never stops glowing.
The sweetness of one girl's heart had lit up the whole town.
The magic was never in the oven. It was in Ellie all along.
Good night, dreamers. May your hearts bake something kind.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Little Tales Kitab for more magical bedtime stories.